Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving deep into the world of steam cleaning, comparing the Riku Steam Mop and the TVD Steam Cleaner. So grab your rubber gloves and let's get steamy with some comparisons. Starting off with the price, the Riku Steam Mop is priced at $69, making it an affordable option for budget-conscious shoppers. Many reviewers appreciate its effective performance, especially for cleaning floors and glass doors without chemicals. However, some have noted difficulties with cleaning the mop heads and wish for more reliability in its performance. On the other hand, the TVD Steam Cleaner comes in at $179, which some reviewers justify as a worthwhile investment due to its solid build quality and effectiveness in various cleaning tasks, including wallpaper removal and tile grout. While it is pricier, many feel its versatility and powerful performance make it a better long-term choice. Next up is capacity. The Riku has a 280 milliliters water tank that allows for about 20 minutes of steam cleaning. Reviewers love that it heats up quickly and is easy to use, but some find the capacity limiting for larger jobs. In stark contrast, the TVD Steam Cleaner boasts a massive 52 ounces tank, providing up to 50 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning time. Users rave about its fast heat-up time of just 8 minutes and its ability to tackle extensive cleaning tasks without needing constant refills. Many find it to be an excellent choice for comprehensive, deep cleaning. When it comes to ease of use, the Riku Steam Mop is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. Reviewers appreciate its lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver. However, there are comments about it sputtering and being unreliable at times. The TVD Steam Cleaner, while slightly more complex due to its multiple attachments, is praised for its professional quality and the secure attachment of accessories. Users feel it is easy to use once familiar with its features, and its powerful steam output makes up for any initial learning curve. Finally, let's discuss versatility. The Riku Steam Mop is a 10-in-1 cleaner, allowing for various cleaning tasks around the house. Reviewers find it useful for multiple surfaces, although some mention it lacks in certain areas like grout cleaning. In comparison, the TVD Steam Cleaner comes with an impressive 28 accessories, making it suitable for everything from floors to engines. Many users highlight its versatility and the professional finish it provides, making it the ultimate cleaning toolkit. Overall, reviewers seem to appreciate the Riku Steam Mop for its affordability and ease of use, but some express concerns about its long-term reliability. The TVD Steam Cleaner, while more expensive, garners praise for its powerful performance and extensive accessory options, making it a favorite for those seeking a more robust cleaning solution. So which steam cleaner should you buy? If you're after a budget-friendly option, the Riku Steam Mop is a solid choice. But if you want a comprehensive, high-performance steamer, the TVD is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which steam cleaner you'd go for and why. Product links are in the description. Happy cleaning!